is Adom FM, and this is Gabby Justice.
Check your time now, 25 after 3. Ofie 106.3 Adom FM. Good afternoon. I do believe so. And then we are not cherry to me, Papa. Subium said you feel Ofie Brown. Baby, I will be a UTM, ultimate can we, ultimate can pay, ultimate can you raise. And she has from Queen and if you are Adom 106.3 FM, Accra, Ghana. Yeah, bro. Oh, baby, I should be a Munia Bema Jerry Justice, now ultimate can we, Papa Bill Swa, African or Swa. Jiko homeka krani ade heti wa ha ena elance wa ha ena most importantly wonso owo ho it's not just say afa na the area ne say we no ye born to it impatcho say owo access to Facebook bra Facebook no so say na obawa they did trust one straightforward now no videos of our time and ra obekaya yeah the videos of our time bro and I'm kase we no double videos of our time no and one ye be say gina so ne de atu hofo sa na nra e call no na me catch you say and so video ba ko wa ye de beto aso na ene de no classic in fact say one share sa video e bia ebe me ya papa I will do my best to explain this video to you. You know what I'm saying? Me boy wa dream o de ma me ho kwan sa na me wa dream na me describe ya denche ye pa but ni na echi no se be na obetimi ate ase ye pa no senka wa wo ba wuram e wo Facebook wa anka be bo apa. Because as for this video there, honestly speaking, I want you to see the video yourself. We'll be catch some way, you know what I'm saying? And it's access to Facebook and quad there. Abuja Boru Musesia, Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. na ene videos of our time yɛmfa hyehyɛ so na ɛhwɛ bi yɛka papaye said the enra na make can say nya bia na kyerɛ sɛ toda na obetimi aboa obi a go ahead and do it ne ade no ene video no de sɛ wohwɛ sa video we na anka wakoma na wa no em said abi problem kakra wo ho video no is serious and I need you to see it. Videos of our time, the trust is here, proudly brought to us by Aquatabs water purification tablet. A self-dissolving tablet. All the two sumwa and one who goes to come out. Nejuma oya say microorganisms are all the own sumni now. Okuamunya sebe abetimi prevent waterborne diseases. Enti maninya wasem here. Sa bring now. Especially when we use storage tanks, I hold what we know. How often put our cleaners our storage tank anymore? Yeah, it's over here, so we use Aquatab water purification tablet TB. And they hotels, hospitals, restaurants near the and one way near you to a correct part. And your Aquatabs food safe ever. What could you dry out of fruits and vegetables? They are befino. Men fat ordinary water and washing when I'm on chassis and consuming. Use Aquatabs food safe. For washing na enkum germs and bacteria beer, what fruits no vegetables no. Said by a mudia or how be and copper HD. Obenye bi ato chemical shops how do need name across the country. Supermarkets how do be muso how kwa sabe can be. Any pharmacies how do more. One crying out Pedro phrase 020-907-7726. Kumasi phone phrase 050-169-4275. And our phrase 0244-593-381. And we are more moko for you. I'm on first line. African baby Facebook will be my wine. And now Junior, I want you to see this video. Videos of our time. But outside that trust and we patrol yentie san kaibo we na yen no so. We shut down ECG for edeba. Na che say wo dundum enyina mo ahoden no se beye na wo betimi ayensiesie nwuma na afi so aboa na osomo amode somo no etimi aye osompa. The same ECG say or undertake a planned maintenance works. I bet me I improve service delivery. Na nyame ya adoma ochina Friday the 29th of October and asashi baso. If you are no pan 9 ekopem se bebo 5 p.m. obedum nkane no na watimi ayesansiensie enwumai. Areas sa kane ya wodum no na wayensiensie ne be affect no any this way share no so ashale boche afa Japan Motors Lakeside Estate in Sakina Oduman Pokuase Afenso Dumase Ashonman Domi Pilatu Kwabenya Atomic Commission Taifa Burkina Jamestown and an important one in ano Obedun Dumkaniana if you are 9 a.m. Ekopim 5 p.m. Now with me I carry out sa planned maintenance works no with me Eddie improve service delivery Eddie Amman for some potemo easy say or regretting inconveniences bia sa hihye ebekofa Eddie Abreu nti na yin yenisu sa wo bibia ochana no pana watimi ya ntentem ansana no nkro abona bibia koye diama ochana Friday 29th October na so na Absa Business Connect series bosumi mu de no ye de Abreu na we de yes driving customer loyalty through world class service recovery. Na jeni na say customers onium edin so so na onium didwa no ekoba so how bi ba no de complain bi ba sa ne ade ase wo buafu a enhwemu no chese about 70% of customers say omo be complaining efa your business na omo ne wo ye no ho na utimi pe kwan pa bi efa so resolve sa issue na likely say about 70% of them will return back. They will come back to you again and do business with you. One treat you and as our customers no more from MBM. Necessity join Charlotte Badu with Badu on a service experience manager at Absa Bank Ghana. This Friday, the 29th of October 2021, 10 a.m. You discussed the topic driving customer loyalty through world-class service recovery. The Absa Business Connect series, it comes up live the last Friday of the month. Our Absa Ghana Facebook page and on here at Absa Ghana. Yes, now bit me so I share the post live version with me gaining more insight from industry expert. Yeah, no bit me abuana I keep you business thriving and alive. The Absa Business Connect series helping to take your business to the next level. That's Africanacity. That's Absa. Tia na wa share na with me Ashem so sa e dia man e ho share na eno no. If I try to join me on Facebook, so I'll be removed. And then I'm in so there I'm waiting for you. I want us to share this video together. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Of course, Ryan Kyle said, "Live strong with iron." Shisheno, I idea says, "O may you was him here, pa." Say, "Obet me ashe edi nuane iron woman." Now, boana what prevents iron deficiency anemia? It's not saying yadepa. It's in patcho contumre, abedru, liver, red meat, fish, shrimps, eggs, boko boko, alefu. Afe groundnuts, beans, cowpeas, any green leafy vegetables. No, I had dibi more. Nebuapa. What did you so yeah, per fruits be rich in vitamin C? Ne diguso. Nemboa na body need me absorb it. Iron nutrients na what do you know di mu ye pa why? Live strong with iron. Yeah, ni say yan kakra na. Yet me to iron deficiency anemia ya say. Ade kese bi nso a NC da ba besi. Na obeka se edie na Jerry K. Yes, something big is coming. In fact, something very big, huge is coming. Now, a big deal. A big deal. You see, occasionally, and you may be to me babaya kwamuni adea. Bayana usually as a natural reaction. You'll be a bit worried kakrani adea. Oh, na dia. But you see, say bibi strong could be say basana. Ubetimi just focus ni ye pano. I did ready there be a ban a bapa na a bani ye. And then I said, and I feel and I'm Kwanso Eba. Something very big is coming. Nyame Adom on the 4th of November. Show date to it. Time was signed down 11:59 p.m. Not just say answer 12 midnight that big thing will land say sometime on the 4th of November at 11:59 p.m. Hella, get ready for something big. But answer no bad experiences are something big, You need to download the Jumia app today. So go on and do that right now. Na bounce with me at the Kessia Airland. Ubizame, Mintivin Kanchro. Date down, time also down. Wait for it. Since we feel in our them, it's as a fena amount for at the new HD plus decoder no assay. Oh yes, so first year come out for us and as I want TV maybe I make sure that meet me favorite channel no grass I heard that the new HD plus yeah. I feel amount for Philip from Bruta. No be a watch live TV. Now our favorite program now watch na ultimate post say China me kodun so ba ekua donko. O ko ba wa sa ba be play no ato aso. O play na apede. I feel what downloading my HD Plus app no cry from the Google Play Store so. It mu akwanya ma link to your mobile phone and now device bia. It is a Oshe TV na bia favorite program bi na so adu say opia bonten. And when you call be say utimi tisi krom ni ade ade a. Wo ko nyina wo device no so na wo hwe sa. When you find the feel experience. Benefit in the doors mean to me canina. Epacho phrase 0242 439 872. Yentra further info. Nema on Sanka the new HD Plus decoder. Ebe boa. Afe ya the videos of our time no air 12 so. Bashan so say Krumua Ebano say ye try delivery service there. Number 1 no a Glovo. Omo ama delivery I the there e won kran kremu. And they ultimately order of favorite food from that special restaurant. And now crowd to me deliver package. You can also shop for groceries from that supermarket, all on Glovo. Glovo app no any easy and convenient to use keke. Name you can expect your orders delivered in minutes. Ade ba ko mani jin kran so say wa order bibi no. Ubetimi track your delivery ni say nam kwan so ba bi adu na you can track it till it gets to you. Oh yes. It's call Google Play Store and App Store and download the Glovo app. This is here. That's GLOVO. Glovo. Now it's waiting me out today. Yepa. When you download the pet now, what sign it out? Now what you use our promo code way Glovo Day GH. That is GLOVODEYGH. Glovo Day GH. Now bring out 10 CDs off your first order with Glovo. Glovo. Order anything and get it delivered in minutes. Mary, Afe Yanko Eye Facebook by Kanketsi Aqua Tabs Water Purification Tablets. Yamfa videos of our time and she so. Nene videos of our time near the Bruno. And one I sign a day as someone. Ye do to your hopeful. I will feel consumed so. Wa utie jumedi and ra. Now we share videos of our time no. Me can be show kakra video I share. Abayo a oton ade o kwan chen. Na abranti bi akọ park in the car. Na the man I hear say or Nigeria ho no wo no. Yesi dwumadi a odi a no. Or you be a nyame ahia na nsem wo bi. So once a while he just drive around Oshia Ubia, now your papa. You just give you money and now Bibia not the actual like that's what he's been doing. Into a well-known one Nigeria or power, yes, I did. It run a video, one of his videos, and I share on videos of our time. Now Okota de no nearby one idea no about price in the channel, and also one kind carry money. I feel buy one kind scan we are scan require more than 10 times the amount of Adena Autumn and on the man also on face scanner. He feels like blessing her on fire and supporting the business. No, I feel by way now issue. We share security side than there. We no san the products in the man back so there be not doing so better, but he came there purposely say Obe Buano na was supporting the business. No, it won't product in some fine corner on Tom will for you know, na di hun komo bebre e kan say papa ye de yeah. And you see that crochet that story if you like I said yesterday, it be out there 10 cities and now 5 cities because you kita on some Bompaye Guso Kachera, they say today you also want to be a blessing to somebody. It will Bompaye Guses carry you so a Radian Kasan director to somebody who might need that money. Never a chuni pa chrono. What I say now being in doing so, ne radical so be quite a same Messica bounce and because when you say Malbia also Utimu Yedin, so Ubishia Afro Aka. Now, and the video no a video bia. Me share video no we na fe makoma say the a beat no asesa na me share din na hu say me so me di for e wo sa de we si hu bi ye nyina ye ya adoye kakra but adoye na ye no papa ye no say na you mu levels e pa cho bra Facebook na be hwe sa video we and from this day on o share video we are say o yi obi papa Obeye papa eye genuine. Obeyi wakoma mu na waye papa. Wonye bibia bia sa. Ma menkai wade kakra bi. Abra na yesusu na ye ko Sunday school no. You know this story about Cain and Abel. Ana enyomo. Omo bo for real in the Bible, right? No odwa ni nua no e papa be osusu da bia omo kobo afore oba ko no de eniema enso ani e na ode kobo na afore enti na afore bo no endru nyame anim so ati ase ba ne nua no yusu edepa a chese eso ani yie eno de bo afore ena ne nua na afore bo no mom eso nyame ani, and later on he was envious of ne nua. Meanwhile na afore bo no boy no one mfia komam one eniema chese I say leftovers and on the bo afore. Sa story we ebe bie wani ene awie. Now video na me be ya cho no animated video. Now I hear says our video we very short pa but omocha one of the videos are atimi ason krofo ani pan ye ama attach a lot of hearts in the world. And na me be yidi achre we. Usually I animated the program and shut down take it time and stress. About this one, I watched the video from start to finish and I was like, damn. Into what would need access to Facebook no? Minchre munchro kakrebi. A train. A man for Eddie two crime. Now this story abroach for be appreciating more pa because yeah the train system really you know on say for public train a train is in a public private Germany for their private in their public amount for what food train wotimu ayana mostly ebi o ticket no ena ekre baby a obetna say the okotna plane mu a utwa ticket we na ma boarding pass na or number seat number was no most of the train now are amount for the 222 kwan na ayana no so e won seat numbers it will show number na e ticket no so no ena o de akwa akotna ase but obi o ho a based on baby a okono otwa ticket a low cost intiano no only seat or professor begina train mu tiane de na de bi wa na de rubber bi asansen so train mu ti obetimi akitam na wo kwa nti udu ba bi a obesi na train gina na wasi na wokọ. And the video na me de kire wo no abaiwa yi afo train out ombi na papa abasiriwa opani pa utimi say old age akokra oman ono so afo train bi na train ekọ na oruman no ejina train mu na waso pon mu ana ba no se de be ya ontenhwe na awura ne oruman no ayifa video no to so na ekọ na menka yin nche atifo wa mesre obibi fato so wa esa mama kasa che fato so enti papa ni kurade mu na ekọ a na awura ne te ho enti ho na awura no young girl obisa papa ne se na den na ugina ho na ontena se no so bo mi nana mi ticket no de megina ho bi enye de sese metena se no na den wo kọ ha yi na ba bi akọ no so ba bi a mekọ de wa mom de na awura no sorry no tena se o ma papa no betena ono ne seat no so na papa mawura na wo tena makonwa su na wo kọ ha yi na o ma me tena makonwa so yi ha yi na wo kọ na wo be kọ akiri no so me kọ akiri kakra nenso no me medu agya wansan wadu ba bi a wo kọ no say ene wa mama betena so yewum de why ade mom de nenso se ye kwa na se edu baby the next stop na onipa ko a watwa sa ticket a se otena seat we so bade a onipa ko be ba bagina konwa o ene so papa eme how de ye mom pa ye se obia ma no metena wa konwa no so ene o ma papa no etena konwa no so ene awura ni gina train no afa train ko na to e ko longe ni krofo ahyase e da ewo train mu a papa ni tonko abayiwa nsu kitade no ogina no so tonko o train mu ade hwe ena o tonko no passengers wo mu nyina tonko o train mu a kakra ena du ba bi a ticket officer na o train mu no e be check ticket said they are usually omo ye no enti odu papa no so no odu abayiwa no so no ena o de ni ticket no e kire no na ohwe papa no ticket na ekura no na chese eye no seat ticket ena ekura papa kokora no ena stamp so ena san de ticket na ma papa no but ohun say train no nyema enti bia no nipa ko ese se otena sa akonwa nso ni onti na papa kokora na tra so enti enye hwe afi oje girl na ogina train mu no ticket no ena ohun say girl no ticket seat number no ena papa no te so no tu apɛ na nanim sisa no bɛhwɛ game na girl no yɛ sign chain say onye din ma papa no hu say e ono ni seat e no de amana tena so eneja omoto aso a na we no omuguso kɔ a anche e no omudu ba bia lady ni besi ti train stop ya pe e na sa overhead carrier space ne ona ye the bags e hye ho no lady no e train nsa share so ho e na oyi ne crutches a ode benante not knowing say lady na ogina train mu nyina no say ono sebe oya apache with that crutches ultimi nante but obetimi agina no kita po no as if say oye okay into oyi crutches ni mienu de share na motom left na motom right no start here so nante kon afa ticket collector na wo train mu no ankasa was shocked passengers ni na obi abie nanum oh how afa akokran kran na wo no oh enti ya apache na wagina train mu mre tintin say ya de ni seat amame cement na ni seat eso eno no mu agina train mu sa. But the lady told the man say papa wo de oya akokra me de me ye obabunu enti metimi agina mu. Now the moral of the story ni na ne say ye be papa yenye papa efi akomom ma yenye papa eye that convenience we there. Oh, we say with them here we are ain't coming. But you see, what shake gay papa or yeah na do yo yeah. And ka onwe wo train mu nyina no. She is the one who deserves that treatment than any other person because nenai mi enu nanye. Yet or the eno e bo afore de ma obi foforo say akokra no ntena se. Na ono onso po num e wo train mu ana ongyina ho a even though nenai mi enu nya adwuma. O papa ya we no. Say now you know is it so convenient papa yebi de abro so a won fan ye hwe no eno na ode ya do ya na e na me ka se me hwe video ni wie na me akasa kra no bibi kasa kire mo makomam because mostly mental de amasha and I think they be am kese enkome then na me de ache e bia me mpabo bi masha ma na che bi na me de ache but so ubefi ebia yamma wade bi esombo something brand new one kasa kra won share that now de no be che obi ebia de na efe wo de ye ho kra nka won so kra be ka say oh yeah Joe but then you want to give that one rather out not pabo na wa sha ma half wa chia na enu tie say no unja amount for best room then you want to dash it atade na wa sha sia memu aduro na atu no eno na pese wo de ya adoye ade na wa use we as say ehunhia wa ko different level and say we dey ehunhia biem no eno na wo dey share sa adoye no is what we see mostly but real kindness is when you are ready to give up something that you need that thing the most. What I say ade no anka wo pa na wo hwemu anka wo hia sa ade no pa but you are ready to sacrifice that thing for obifofo even though once you hear sadie no eno any kindness real kindness is when you are ready to give up something that you need yourself enye de onhia bi mu no de onpe bi mu no a wo de che no ene che se why adoye ene che se oyemu ye so oyemu ye dia do something nice ye adea onipa na wo ye adea na mana nkasa mpoku a ehu a obedwe ho aka se what sort of person is this? I am sure says a video we akasa achrew I don't know but me mumudie after watching it I was touched and a be many won niema bi hu ewo papa meye say papa ya eye convenient de ultimi say we dey fala de ho adwonko a there be but sometimes we best sacrifice ya dibi dia ma obi obeye papa bi adoe bi ama obi anka sa adoe no kranka wo kra na wo hia sa adoe no nenso obeye dia ama obi yemo aboa ho kakra and the world will be a better place for all of us. Me hwe wie kra na me ra kra san ho nyamen kan ho no boy din mum de that was shady pa maybe make us say one be down now pa there now so obi so who is in need because well me need dia no pay but pan we ma men dan na me fa ma no nyame hu yamabo no nkan ho no ndom ye yanto adwumadi so na yenko ye nim utie 106.3 Adom FM Ghana's #1 radio station. We videos of our time in Edinburgh. Can't get see Aqua Tabs water purification tablets. Amadama any video Edinburgh. Kelkis toothpaste. Toothpaste they share that ye dear mama fra. And 4 penny the entry more franis and mom and your lie. We know ye the strawberry flavor one. It would the trim of France cry. I said the omudi toffee bino. As much as almost say no mutria near there, and I just say a koi protect your gum, a preventive cavity, a mom near very strong and healthy with freshness all day. Timo fra from 2 to 6 years for no. Na odia mom na bibianso etimi akoye. FD for mushi mwaji atumzi muye pa. Samara company na kofa diaba. Kelkit, I say happy smile. Flora disposable handkerchiefs. Yeguswa ye car say. We are better than the usual cloth handkerchief. No, as I say, we prepare we are no to actually come now on what. Also look out for Flora toilet rolls, Flora multi-purpose paper towels, Flora table napkins, as well as Flora box tissue. Now the channel, beautiful new packaging, papa as Flora Joy, Flora Smile, and then Flora Giant. Come on, pie available in a shop near you. A bonus with the phone book or the door panel. Fred Delta Pipa Meal Limited 0243 033 033 na yentimi emwa na bibia so enkoye kama pa. All right, sir. Make sure say and lady yes I did to your for account. Yan fast that can say my pro sponsors on boy e ma iti asemo edi to your for da enina. No a bright garlic plus capsules. If you Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Now you more a very simple. Tea a boy improve blood circulation. A boost immune system no. What I say. Na asan kramo enya appetite kama. A control cholesterol. A fe blood pressure. Any sugar levels nina kama pa. Omo kriya san kofa bright soja capsules there by enhancing libido. Na fe sexual weakness no aboa atu ase waist pains na ebeko or low sperm count so ebe check na kama na bibia koye edi amount. Me patcho benye bia to e wo Kings Walk Herbal, Hallow Seba ni na o kanshi drug lane afi tenatet. Herbal shops ahodo ni na mu o ma yafa na bibia na Tribe of Judah ye wo kaswa e won so benye bi. Enyansa for ni chemo Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Na do bia onye bia onsa enkan betimi so afre 0243 983 906 and after 0261 651 898. And when I said you from MTN and they wakofa MTN Ayoba Ediaba. We did yeah dimupa Ayoba all in one app. Yeah, no more when you're ultimate chat or call it or share, you play, then you pay, and then you listen to music all in one app. What I say for everyone. And I say you can send money through MTN Momo while you are, on the app, or chatting with your favorite vendors, family, friends, and it will be you can also catch up with all the latest trends on various channels. You play games, you listen to music, and then you do so much more, all in the comfort of one social app. I friend Ayoba, AYOBA. So Pacho, get on to Google Play Store now or App Store. Now download the Ayoba app this year and enjoy a whole new way to communicate and have fun as well. Remember, Ayoba are available to all networks, but MTN users get to enjoy it at no data cost. So hurry now and download Ayoba. Ayoba, made in Africa for the world. And no. As they do Obeko Ediama, Doormaster and Pubimine Paint Depot. Nina say near 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Your doors ranging from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armored doors, wooden metal doors to wooden panel doors, flash doors, glass doors, bathroom doors. Nina prices also the year pa. Oba painter from where your partner with News Paint. Edition share by a friend. Paint now, pay later. Nina says schools, churches, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers. Yes, some magic paint. Bia muhia. Mo fan painting of facilities a hold on. Yen spread this kind of mamo. Na mun tuya and kakra. Ewa Brian fa interest bia ento so emamo. And they yen big mix machine. It makes it over 10,000 colors, delivering with precision your color preference. It can only be our phrase 0542 745 222 and our phrase 050 021 2447. Obenwe echa kwan ewo Pubman on the Accra Kumasi Highway. Your Pubman toll booth wa. In fact, say ujina toll booth imwa ewo Pubman wani etua yen shop no emu. Eno ene ehye ayo wonti bibia ni a na wafre na yetimi edin komo kama na yahwe. Emwa yenso yebetimi edi aboa wo. And that's what it is. About October bosumi mu. Obora Gold TV so it is full of endless and captivating drama. Ninyana say Gold TV and a home of Europa and Conference League matches are all so never miss a day with your favorite football stars. And yes, I brought boundless novellas. Yeah, no bit me actually Strange Love and I feel Mariam Khan on Star Life. Sounds no bit me actually Perfect Husband and a Money Merchant on Z World. And I feel so uchatum ewo Telemundo nso Lolly Slack ye hot and den. And for more mind-blowing local series and movies and so no obetimi switch it to African Magic Family and I say African Magic Epic and Rock GH Nina be no dear call any dear ba. Now if you are yearning for more football action there, then we've got you covered with Serie A, La Liga, EPL, the Dutch, Belgian and Scottish leagues Nina Eddie amount. So rush now for your new Gold TV decoder set at a reduced price of 89 Ghana cedis only. Opens auto new decoder. Just SMS Gold TV to the short code 1731. Now sort it out. And remember to download the My Gold TV app. So be able to manage your account with ease. Terms and conditions apply. Sunday, Nyame Adom 1 in patrol 3 p.m. sharp. Yede mokasa jumedi no bro. Na Ochami Kufi Ochami ebe pass through. Na my two baby and our face Pukuya 101 and so na ehus to jumedi no sponsor say tech Joy Industries afi Amalina Children's Haven Apumden Herbal Center Jehovah is my friend restaurant and Awinbura Spicy Kebab and so tech it and then they ochesa souvenirs ne chede nyama be pipi mu aba no don't surprise ya na waka na don wa shembi mo kasa live on Adom 106.3 FM this Sunday 3 p.m. From Tamas Kitchen Community 2 and our Oberon Jumedi and Mokasa is powered by Pukuya 101 Concept and Ayana Washe na Washen Susa Ede Amai and Mushi Pacho Mami check it time here yeah for abo and then the number we since area or the abet me akotema women's hospital see we also Jerry's we there kamu we and mo family shim and say yeah free breast cancer screening at the amount man for you me patcho ba onko ya fast obe hon kwa dia tema women's hospital ko na yen check out the animals see before the day goes by why na say you timi ehu bibi omu a and when me no ya so anu amount tempana ansana akwakofa how kesi bia ede aba eno ehon enhye eno nation so say enei enhye no egu apono so den sabre okofa Accra International Conference Center jumadi kesi a ekoso pa no Habitat Fair and they brought the 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair jamu den powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitat it impatcho akwanya no bamu but more than also befa Accra International Conference Center each day be an from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. You shall see a day 28th na nyame ya adoma Monday the 1st of November and Ashishin Nabe from the Accra International Conference Center. Pacho BBN Afre 054-690-8179 after 024 for BM 0540-110-389. Na enquiries biana with me aye ede afa sa number we so. And before I be koye ni pacho yenshe we so the multimedia group akofa the classroom project ede aba ya na ya tete so be hu school for mofrana when nanam classroom ni ache say edan ya bububu cracks bebre na edan bi okra roof sheet kra anye hardwin mofrante classroom osua de kra no mo yam hihye especially nsuo mu na kakra na bum na kra ne pe ba bi afa nsuo sha ase se to apeno mu na we obi akofie because school building nenye sao how we e kase de ho beto aban ko aso a ebekam ne senti na the multimedia group and they yakofa the classroom project e de aba ya che say villages ahodo ne ade ya utimi say classroom buildings no enye papa ni nyina no etimi sisem ye mamofra na classrooms papa momotena esua ade na etimi aboa omodache eti obakofo ntimi nye ne senti ne eton sade afro say e ka wakoma we you say give for change #no give for change obetimi ayi kakra na ode aboa na yedi edi sa adwumadi we patcho ye momo number na 059 303 8832 that's 059 303 8832 name na be ba osa momo we no so no Joy FM na wabomode atua bibi kakra kitwa bia nso a de obenya no fatum na yina yankeka mum na yemfa entice our project we echi enye sanso no pese utua de fa banka patcho Access Bank account number no 009010105491 that's 009010105491 Castle Road branch and branch code no 009 and Swift code no so no especially more buchiri am pese mutue bitum patcho ABNG GHAC ABNGGHAC BBN so are their friend na chichim bia na inquiries bia na yamwa o frɛ bejo so sisi a 0302 216 540 that's 0302 216 540 the classroom project promoting social justice through philanthropy yada wase se waje atum se obey nsa na nyame nso obechira pa dan de nyina ye trans ne dey around the world in 5 minutes ebrewa se Scott trans sana aya wonim se Gini Foods adama na won so ya sinema itimi de brewo Gini Foods nso de wani tua wanu ani na de yi pa na anu ada Gini milk pa na tugu so kinsi musa na otimza I say pika de ya try bi hwe ye wo Gini sunflower cooking oil what the chichi chikama pa mze hwehwehwam Gini rice on one na yi mako e bon so nyeden ene wo Gini mayonnaise nso e wo ho afi Gini sardines na de kenka ho Gini milk ya na make say de yi pa to the aso bi hwe emu ye bibia o kitchen wo de menye Gini kitchen what I say o kitchen one dan no ye ni Gini kitchen simple Gini Foods e ma fie ye de patch for bulk purchase with their phrase 0540 108 531 that's 0540 108 531 na dodo bia onye bia no yemfa ensomo ogusu tie 106.3 Adom FM enyo
honey it's office wonko na wonim aquataps food safe na salad ni nua ba wodi ne de bia no aquataps food safe na medoro ho asana wedi o
omo san so aquataps water purification tablets omo a omo de eburo mu nsuo efom nsuo suru nsuo ene nsuo a ehwo nte e de ye wonda ada adwuma a emfa ohaw bia embre osan kwada yi so mapomudin so ehia ye pa eno nti na mato aquataps surface disinfectant a yetime de paper surfaces bia ema ehwote nonti hotels restaurants hospitals sachet water manufacturers any fie mu aquataps abama mo say ebejen it will form for health top up services limited. It was 050 169 4275 020-905-7725 Kumasi and 020-907-7726 Accra and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aqua Tabs were pharmacies, drugstores and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Nkratui Atum.
Some are born lucky, some are born happy, some are born rich, some are born cool, some are born confident. But Charlie, nobody was born like you. Just be yourself, do what you love to do, and you could win big in the MTN Pulse and Chill promo. Just text, browse, and score points to win cash, brand new mobile phones, airports, shopping vouchers, and more. Use the Pulse app or dial *567# to mash up and get more promo points to win these amazing rewards. Terms and conditions apply. Go be yourself everywhere you go.
Anopabia num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium womb na ni gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratu yi FDA agiatum.
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio, share because on Kwana new Bright Soldier. A free bram is chance, yes, me use Bright Garlic Plus, no, Mensanity Tininano, Menusua Chimmy, and Menuma Tunino, a giant when you know, now, dear Simi.
Bright Soldier, it's me general body pains. Nasam Waba, and Wabama Tinka, a Costro Papa, a year Jumasem Quina. Eh, Pharmacy, Kameka, and a Hebas of Ubia Mukajo, Bright Soldier, and a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufonko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, a Wonungwa Dogon, Last Stop, SL Junction, Flower 0243983906.
And 0261-651-898. Bright Garlic Capsules, and your drew that a share FDA, a Shishasa, a Jadian Kratway, a Jatum say.
Take a break from life and chores to relax and rehydrate. Freshen up throughout your day with the refreshing goodness of Voltic Natural Mineral Water, sourced from the heart of Ghana for true and safe refreshment.
Voltic, naturally, a product of the Coca-Cola Company. This advert is FDA approved.
Busua de ya gini nuane ko na boso gini sunflower cooking oil anwa wasone free sunflower mu meduane che ya akono ade ba ko amepe wa gini anwan ho ne se meduane ye na gini mu a eyiyi baako ne nimham kra ne kume no na me ya salad gini mayonnaise nko na me ya esanse e ma no ye tasty ya sanso wa gini milk e non dairy cream gini sardine ene sardine amepepa esanse wo betime de aduane bia na se wunya didi wo dokona wo behunu se ye good right spaghetti inso ka gini ebusiakuo ne ho ne senti be ka gini ebusiakuo ne ho esanse gini mafie ye de gini die e koso fdiaje adwade nkrato ya to.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3.
Sure. Abusua Shasan Kaibo Winsun Sumami na and also a very important GCB Bank. The Abase and Fanto Manfo, you say GCB Bank, they are not the largest and biggest bank. Then they all say any forming a cherished customers and our general public need now say or upgrading the core banking system. No, what I say, be with me offer a premium banking experience at the amount. Now, sir, upgrade exercise, we know. Nyame eya adumwa ochina Friday the 29th of October and I shall na ebebe on Sunday the 31st of October 2021. Now as a result on Friday the 29th of October, that's tomorrow, in branch services to customers and the general public in Nabe they are 3 p.m. Yeah, no so and all digital channels that's ATMs, mobile banking, mobile app, internet banking they are available till 7 p.m. on the same day. But G-Money wallets to wallet services such as CBR airtime top-ups, bill payments and the cost why Juma will be available to customers with me during this period. That's from the 29th to the 31st of October 2021. Now just say all services will be fully restored by 8 a.m. on Monday the 1st of November 2021. GCB Bank say and control say especially PIN name or password money are there. Any other sensitive account information do not share with anyone, and there's no way GCB Bank will contact any customer for any of the account information. Why? Frakadan for that also. BBN now yan chichime kwecha phrase 0800 422 422 and 0302 634 922 and 0302 246025 for any assistance. GCB Bank say or apologize for inconveniences. We be cover the GCB, your bank for life. And no one someone yeah. Yo. And young back my friend Chimna for any one boy on fire gated and twice. But before that, the multimedia group classroom project and I can't watch them show earlier. No, my mention remind you beam say you know we and Adia Kabum in be cry their support and so we can craft support. Now yintimi in ye school for Mofra or soon deal school Diane. I who had done a death trap no yin yo mufisa school buildings yempe classroom papa na mo free insua de bit me I made dimwa just a week akra de boa mesumi kakra de boa simasi kakra obenten kakra e kabo mu ane de e kase de ni beto aban ko anso a agijun etimpacho yin kakra kakra na famwa ene ye omomo number ho bit me etua kakra tum eno 059 303 8832 name ne was on a Joy FM and our face so Access Bank account number we wait me to be atom 009010105491. That's 009010105491. Castle Road branch. But your branch code near 009. And our Swift code no so no ABN GGHAC. ABN GGHAC. BBN is what me our friend na on air kasa wadwumu e behwe na amount chichi mu patro Francis ya e bejo so 0302 216 540. That's 0302 216 540. The Classroom Project, promoting social justice through philanthropy. Okay, let's jump into this one in preparation for Ayargate Sports. It is called Nanaya from the man Mr. Borax. Run the trail of she on the feeling. so yigu ɛwɔ one magic and the unbeatable DSTV app and no wow about me manage your account so you can watch on the move and also Dragusa. I feel we enjoy fresh box office movies every week and so and a DSTV catch up on so at the mount. In case I want to say any episode of your favorite series in Swah, wait me as I feel DSTV premium subscribers so Ebinya Show Max added for free and a compact and a compact plus subscribers also Ebinya Show Max for 50%. I feel reason number 9 here more captivating and educational kids content Papebi. And finally EPL La Liga and I face you are games need now so better also try DSTV decoder with installation of a 1 month access subscription very simple 169 Ghana cedis per with me are ready to compact with an additional 108 Ghana cedis the patrol SMS DSTV to 1731 the Gina Sofa toy decoder for forces here DSTV this is your moment. All right, so Yama and Penny for and Casa na Yenko Yenim Sisia.
Well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected.
Yeah.
Irrigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
And I don't know. Afe Sofukum Chacha. Yeah, ne buy 18 birthday. On so better aso. Hey, Kum Chacha. You talk. Okay, to
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be a Irrigated Sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress ah.
Yeah. Obesri. Over.
The open program one denisham fast sports one tie Irrigated Sports or Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Mo. Aje kwa kwaba.
Ya ju.
Na
wo press we go from no press.
Say usually I na me run ha no ntino. Na me run ko ya mu say man dey na empty na.
Na so bia so nkase.
Na me so dey bi, ma me san fa komachi. Say bibia boko dey.
Oh nyame adom bibia boko na Anglican for no hwan mo order.
Anglican for.
Yeah.
Ade won say dey.
Nye so ma so for mpanimfo ya won wa ma no ni. Yes won ato nkraba say won mo ha ni nya de o mo ye say. Wakotai actually say
ye chembre tia de no
na say kamoma Roman fo mponye
where the end enya wan won so de no sa enya wan
na say kamoma Roman fo mponye
o say Roman de Pope ya ron but aso na nkasa itself no enron ye
na untie Anglican for the so for no class mo de mo ware it mo what de
anka mu nim say de ade tie
yeah so Roman for yi aso for mo ware
Pope you or can happen away so munya no until they be into there now mo tu munchi na Debri
Bagu
akwa ba me yo
yeah
say bibia da ye de
onyankopon adom bibia da bako bibia ya bako
I'm on for Facebook na and no video me de buy na was thank you Rona every tia ya fe
enra kra no say me kra me yesenka man ya o cassette helicopter ikura akame nenso unse obapa ba ye intina
ye no ba pass ni wachi no
obapa Christian so
ono wachi nton
ase me kra
talent there you need ba ko pe ho ana
aya we are no friend abona man
no wachi nton na wachi fine because say na no na me ka say be for so mo nantimi ma bi wa na ya na wan say duan say tie bia we do ni pe gina hoto so
but on say na no
ni pe bi on mo a so on timi kwetu duan bi wi ni na kwasi ado mu yiska ni bi de koto collection
na o kan sembi na na say wo kana na me fiwa na we na so ja twaso ne ade a na un say aya na abonten didi ne ade bi a me no da bi home na emi bi na me pie fifi anopa em say be bo so mentemu ani me fifi ntempa be no numu ka na masim ena me kon wrong meeting bi ni ade a nti me du odoko ntem ho be bi anopa no afi na me hu ade amini tina ma dwendwen anam so ene be anka mento kenkede so na me to a
universal charger
di naka me ma rona ma pe kan bi ne tu na bi na me dia brabra maku na asmu ze na me pe maku ntino na at least metimi aron kakra na odoko mpotem ho jo dokun bi pa me to ye de bedue no
ba ni ni pa ni guso
me ti dokun ba ko kama nam awrade ade chale
ade na nipa da sen
ade na no only die
by force
just e kan no kwa na yourself and ono so ton ade mani eh e dey asem ni koye say
no why ko tena bridge o say wa ko bridge mo na ma pande dokun ni bida
we dey o kan say me bam
it we no ono nya nkrata o ko ere na obi de ani bre e kire jinjira obe no a
say sister comfort and Obama maleto Germany is here make so Italy na me call hona oya no so oron dokun bia brem so dokun de obi mama me ho ame me so anopa no wa bo apema pesi ni ba hia pesi na ma me na dokun de no so ko kuma ne famra se na won nyim de oka na hwe sister ne ron en kan dokun bi ba me di wi na free se me ba wi ase me ni and grando come pass a compile
and so me say omo
na banche fremana
e hwanche maza
obiri
ya 14
te say Hanover say ye call e
14 te hon kra
e ye biase na ye na ya
ma me so no bo
kwaku e ye ni ya be pon no e na woman bi di kenke bi ba ho no na man foto bi kofi no na na fia ne eyi oh me ni pe no bo liberty me re fini bi amwa oh ena even ayi tema market to Hamburg ayi Stakos
yeah
also so the kenke bi saa so ba pa
we dey wow fun ya we dey
kini pa ko on tesa o kasa radio so
kwenye se obi o ma scampo so no ogu ani mu ase
ya na enra na me ke enra me start program me share say me run APM ana phone am
na so
di boys we ni twa say radio so ana me tira wo frame ni
we so obewie bi a wanka ya mfra so me frɛ no kra won fa osako se obeni asembe kra me
dokunu ya
ipa mo na se wo mu anim aduane ye pa na fa ko didi abrochi taboche fo mu didi pa o ya
when didi ye
anti aye ko so ye nya de
unti ededam obehwe ne bi abrewa bi de na
na that's what say maba abai ne fo de
ena
ko wan pa no ho
ohun ya na hadwen pa
na omo makon so say untimi hu say magidom de fro say chiro frem makon so ya didi nkran rokno de nkanye frem za gana boni na ifa di ku ya
ba ni bi kran goto nsu mu ama
ofani
appendix ama
o say ayi kwaku asu Finland by okona appendix yo no abai bi ana
akota ba
ekoto
aba e woni pa etimi ta won so no because
me wa me tase
o de o tri ya fa yie
ya me go yesi so you
e kwa de mo de blender yie kra nye de
ko gato you from matuma kwa appendix way ya say na ke
She said that the market is
training to kwakuna last bi me de ababa bi training by me de training me nu aba
sorry no mahu sa abrantie di
say me de bia ba
e adwen bone no ye no
am for my Facebook me hwe me nim de ntia say me de video bia ba e ja na akọ gym no wa chirichirim etuwe susu no enra na me yasment ni yi afi do anyima no sa fe trend ya but e den ya I get also ye run na mankrofo hwe bie obani una akọ gym we susu e
obwa ade a wo yi hwe ba bia ne tusi wo no a odi bu ne pa on e ho ne sese ode ne nan si ena anim wa no ena sese ne totena na na chi atwere ba bia ode ne nsa si no na ode ne nan
ene ma highlight pa onuru ha
hwe kwaku na ode ne nan akọ ede aba enti eye adwuma ma ne nan tu ene ne sre ade wo na wo ye no eye ne na tunu ne se
mo a wanantu no sre de wo ye
o se o pesa hoɔden mra wo nam keke o pesa hoɔden mra wo nam
nipa no no
se enti ono no o de pesa sisi na se de ye ni sisi
wadaro ma me bisa
but you wrong the oye adwenbone no oye
bisa ko sa ye tini e ko gym
you want to keep fit yeah
it your body part corona pesa fit nya ho na opija dade ne fa
you don't have to do a all your body
na me bisa o say you have to say bia okon na pesa yeyira wo ba bia be pija
and am say
ana me boa
your body part be bia ne your body training
opija
your waist training papa o ha enye ne we de o ye de
ana enye broni nsa no
da bi nya ne sa obroni bi so ye bia de ba ya me ka say wrong sa
so o mo na hu position na so position
da bi aye boa payo we boa pa
abantie ye emwa no kwan bia
oboa we ana ko ni mpamu na de o ye de o fa ba yi on kwan ni mpamu ko
o we se de o si ye de o pese o to atopa che o de pesta na we sisi o be to atopa che
on kwan ni mpamu ko
ananse chi ni sisi kra na o ya
pese de o ya he o sa che no ko ka se de adwuma ya no ye
nya adena o ye ni nya na ko ho no
asa adwuma ya no o ye
kwa kunyame ni na brand de o ye so o chi obi baba na se ya no be de obeku ni pa o
won say
na won say de wasi ato
de ndwama TV so ntia na
obi say de wasi ato de tia pa de David
de America say eye boa pa yo no ne say hwe say ni papa mu a
on pe challenge bra
o David ni papa mu a how do you work out e wa bra wo share jeans hwe shoe bi a share na we de kwa gym
bia na wo costume
we ne de kwa gym
we de kwa gym dress we pa de
enyo obi na o costume
na say dress we de mfa kwa gym we to say mechanical we show mechanical na em say de nchen ho na abobo asia
we friend kanpe gym
on pe challenge bra
kanpe gym pa na wa ko che o za
ko bi say ya na ebi abeye ohun but go di bibia ebi ehun je bi
ah branch na so abo abo papa na se de ayire ne ku achi ba
wa to ne pa o to ne pa
na chiri si ko ba na ni mu
obiri eye
ba
eye se de o kan fo eye
no de o ye ne nya
be me eye
e na wo America kra
de o ye ne nya na de obiri
ni e kan duane anu asem unim se house of go duru
asemi e kan me listen ho
go duru ayi e fere se Morocco no say si Ghana ni ma mi bi ho a o mu ko si nsu di dwanye kuma akoma na ma me ne no adwo bro say ayi Morocco fo be mo duane amana fo ne mo yem nti
o mo nyi ma me ne di
Ghana ni ba na enu ano pa wi anwumre duane de mo
na say nya boni
na sira e sha o mu na je say I was go do ma duane ne sa
na wonte alaja kan bi ne ayi brother ye o Happy FM Odi bibi Odi asempa kwa no ware me try asen kamanya voice nya asem keto o
mama ma odi ahenkan wo ne o ko odi asempa na so onye very careful
okay
odi ahen
ayo wa de
so onye very
akontane wasum a minim se
ayo wa de
ono onim de me so obi nkan kira ne se so onye very very careful
akonta wasum a
mo friend mami
o tame ono
sabe ono timframa num
o be hakura no odi
akontane wasum a na ntokwa o mo akono no pay na miti try say boys no
jollof no wana
aduan no kra so boys no kom o de kom na ko bobo no
say mo mu konkomienu na woman
musu ngu hasefo ani mu
o da bio me si asamo asie na oni alaji kambi say alaji akambi salam
say boy na kom na no mo de
kwa nyasam ketwa o say alaji akambi say
obi okwo bo de na wo rere jollof ase any man is onyini
and to come on radio this no and was boys no kwa koduru no mo abre no bi say die nti na mo fra airplane free ha ko ka Dubai ansa na mako Morocco mo amum say mo ko na alaja ka bi me kura manya 6 years no we train plane mu no man be ga sa ma bre no man tiero
munya
o de meja kwa mi ni asa am person me ka asa esa be no obi afre no he na ko he
yes
o de bi me pesa ade no obani na wo mra ade na nka menya na nka ubi ahoma no tum amanfo e kire o madwen kakra
eno ye de
opani bi na opani ofraguma ba ye ho na obedru fie no na ne yire ne ma eti asaso no ka kire nkwala nse o mu nyina ankodem ono ma me bedi nkomo enkoma one o ma me ni bedi ni se opeso opa oba na chew sanse akonyima baba wa bi na baba wa na akonyim no baba wa no tre in tre in se wa fana nkwa brutiri dia obi di ama na wari egu ya na eya no apa na chew no ogusu bobo sika no aba ohwe sika odi baba wa no bekwa brutiri no ne tre in na tre in na
ya beka no kacha
ne yire na sika no betimi dia ya de foforo
and asa be man wa ya de pa
ya na okachi oba ni wie ye no and oba no so ti hodin no so be man me den na makachi nza baba we intro no dwa
na so on suma oba no so nya za
da bi o oba no so e kan dream say oba dan akache be man say oba no nyimbia
say oba no ye trofo papa san say ono oba no onim say be man no ne hu ni ho a ye de wo ena oka so kire be man na awari
obebo nkola na chi
say nkola na nya ne dia
obeni onyende
etiefo me pa cho 0302 216 we dey there be etiefo jemo na me timi gira dwe ena 0302
dia me ka say
me ba obi twen
number ni mi
0302 216 ena 0302 216 562 wo de mutimi mi ehun we ne pomasi bre na ya anya hwe bi em kra ye
ma na ti wodin na etese asem no ewe na mu atese
kwa kutwen kakra etiefo asem mo se mo anti ase yi eti o entremu ni se oba ni kru na etie ena be ma no etwempena akiri a oba no enim ena oba na be ma ne twempena na be ka kire be ma ne se wonyem enti se be ma na mpena nhwe de a on de obema ne ire asoate
oso mpa no kwa bruchire
enti se sa na tie no peso prepare din di a obema ne pesika ma no na onfa ne nkotena bruchire owo a one ne ba ahwe omo ho na ohwe sika pudu a wode be ma obaya akotena ma no ne na ha dwen enti sa na tie de ne ode beto ne yire ni mpreku se be obayi ne trap ni na no
mabu na yisi kra na acha na otwemienu
wi atu be twa eni se watimi anya kukudu abɔ ne yire amane ne yire nso ti asem wie no so ne tim mabu na for say ebe den watimi aka kire be man say enyo na anye mo ba because onim se ne kunu on ne te no ontimi nyem oba because on na ron several years eba mbam
obi dum fo bi na
o ka se we che so a oni ukuru so o ma dia ma no go fa mo hen asemi mumwae why hello asem serious na why you mean boko hello to say the asem yamasa
we are say asem ni fi asem of you
asem of you your bro say
chief
okay chief we no you to say
we are pande ni chief also esan pa because one boyle wa amafo na wo shew on brand amafo na be wa shew na no chire want to fan to baby
want to do baby okay kwaku na entimi manso say bi ebetimi abase obayi a wanyim de e be ma na anso because to da sa de etimi si na woni onipa no e ya enron
ba do timi utwa ho atimi fa
oba na nkasa no bone na no
oba ne de na no sisese they say oba ne de na be problem sese you
oba ma no kra de be ma na nya kukudu
atimi aka na sa
aka ne de
you say ko ba de but unim say ewi asa nkasa enema bi ngo he be ma ya kukudu atimi aka yi awarija ya na awarigo bia but oba ne be kan de ni sese ya pa efie jadum de opa oba no so kan ko sisi ya
oba no de ne hu
ade na be man de enye hu enye mu na mafa chi enye oba no twa wo pe mo se
de me kan se ehu ni se kwanyem de abehye wukunu no na me kan wonya se bi otwa no hu no o se de oba no pese o kire no kwada na nya be man ma o
sa na tie
enti ehu
asem we pa de
obe o that lamte no
enye san so de a jise oba ni mum de sa
obi gina so
on dos mo twa kakra ase enye oni papa
sam ka jo se kire wadwi ya za no obi ahome
waku ebe ya oba no kan che ni kunu so be ma enye hwe ne mum no ose so ne nanyem a ye be hwa akora na
eno no best you
ne mum dikan koye die ne hu se ye oba ansa so na nka wakɔ die ni o side ya no
say wrong you know say aso ni dim obe try dia
hello
asemba
obe we you say na say die ni ga say die hu bia
fa nkoda ya kan ko
wow man so ka say die why yeah
some man waka no
wow
o man ko won kwa die ni wo fa sai wo die ni bi na mo no ma me no problem winning ma me na keke fu dia madam fine because akola de onimdaja ma me no akola no ebedu baabi o mba hu sa papa ya ni chi eyi ye moja but o muso sa nti o mo hu because ayade aye busia eso so ne adem nti ma me no bomo o mo yire no ho pekwan me so on kan ti papa no no papa ne che yie anya sa later on ba so later.
All right. Yo, we da say. Yan for na yin ti ono so. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Brother.
E ba cho e say.
Boko na say.
Bibia boko. Na wo so say na kan e fro say.
Debra Steven Abwasa Akwemu.
You Steven Debra ntiwe.
Mali maso bi na simple and short. Said ya papa no dey ka nya akukudro e ka che do no. Simple and short. So no nya akukudro kan che da. Say nya me pa dia be fight.
Say anya me pa dia na che se dia se.
Say opening pa a chere na adwen wa ha.
Oi.
Sky.
Sa.
O see we now trend there condemn crowd. Ye ni asem. Because ko no mo gba kira. Na ye ono a bia doctor for crowd be run me na hu say ade no
enye adwuma.
Say ya che.
Beba wa mini we. Hello. Sorry. Asem na Sky Akano. Hello.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
Yeah, afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good, sir. And yourself?
Pardon?
How are you also doing?
Oh, I'm all right. I'm based in Tama, my brother.
And what's the name?
This is Do your friend.
Oh.
For a couple of years back.
Yes. Oh, Do. That's right, do the do. Okay. Yeah, Do. Let's hear you on this particular issue.
Jerry, let me tell you something. These things are there. They are there. Only if you can keep your secret, you are okay. Thank you.
What's the case, Lucra? I just say, secret room down here. Yeah, for last two now. I don't watch. Hello. On 10, can you follow? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening.
Patrol to say your first saying. Come now into it.
Because all of my
it is just say omra brasu din on ka say yo miku wo de enya hwe ka chen say wo boy ira man enti no wo se fa kura ne bra na ehwe no okay you era say and it is serious wow na only
say no say on for ba ne mra fie unim oba no so adwemba ye ne say ajapade abema no wo no akwada ifrinche ba bejibi
obeka se we de akura we de on kan so onu de empo de onu ni moja wo
yes enti asem no hu enya asem gitu ho
ense mo adwen so nko the other side ho sister ba kuya onyimi odi abeya
ono so di frigo bi na ba
ono nso so no oron ekire no hwe na obebo kade a se de mo ye ze
obese we zo dia
eni oba beti atum enya aka se ade no kra ye wo na wa yare nti no
na se eni obeka sa ni kunu be na adwe se no de be hye ne keke se onim se ni kunu ne ma ne nye ne ma
oh se ye be tobi de nti fie de no kra no mo akire we
obesa ba be se
onti nya sa kokudo no meka because onim she is not sure
say no free town
enya sa dia e bia na be ma no no man so there's no way I commodity mo be catch any send him because on the sure send him money and 100%.
Abeni.
How do we break?
Asem na de bastela mo antimi amfren mo nwen ho na bibi o ho a. Ye kan wo asemi. Opani enewi ase ba bi ye keka ko no. Say ye ntumu nkwan ne asem wo bo no po. Unim say abrofo na hyase ye mfidie bi. Je ko fato Facebook ho. Obani say fidie na eba no. He say e ma ne mfa yefun bie mu.
On beden.
Odia ne say ti say already yankopo. Odo ka akosi washing bie na yahoro wie no akwakofa no. Oron opeso owo a oron ni hunsuo na e de kwa se be ma kra ope wono peso no oron hunsuo ne de ahye machine mu.
Okay, say e wo ho ana won ye dada but na eno no won ye wo onipa fufuru mu. Eti bia oba on pese obe carry.
Yeah, on pese obe wa na fu amon
eti ono ani jeans ni DNA ni bibia ba na onipa.
Eti afidie ne na da ho no. Oba ni wa hu afidie no.
Yeah.
Nkola
na hihye mu.
Eti say oya nti ya ono no oni ni kunu no. Omotwe omo ho ya no de ko na ye dia chef game 2 3 months anu akwa hwese ni dua ba na 5 months ne ba no. Be man na time be na ya na we ni pie no.
Ne you know.
Yeah. Best 7 months on.
O de bi. Ebe di oni abada
da 4-5 months time.
And you oya okwa wezu emu ya transparent okwa bo say otwirim.
Same
Santi but your brother has
then go for the nipa no one person omo ye nipa o.
Ntino omo ni abre den ze chinchina achi. Omo ni omo person omo ye.
Eti say mfidi a omo de e ba no no. Ti oba pa so on pese obanyima ma wofu aboso a no anso okwa Neja, wako ha fidie no. Wako ha fidie ba kuna.
Oba no pa no be man achia be hwete no what say ya.
E mu ana mo pese mugusu atumi e de ayi syringe no atwi.
Oh there be ende. Obe ron no afia.
O da bi o ron afia ba be gu akwala no.
Dem send dem mo ron de agimoni, o de be gu akwala so ayden.
O nya. Na kan se o pese o
hwa fidie mu de o nya.
Ugusu a.
There be o nya ngusu. O hwa fidie mu de o.
Ese hono ngusu bi am bi mu. Sade no afidie mu sade a ngusu bi am bi.
Mo run voice messages de ba no de. Ese ma po assignment e. Ti ba na ya po wieti. E mum de.
Adwen pa.
Ade hadwe na enra oba de de issue bi ba Black Stars ye ne Ethiopia match no ho no. De metete wo ho no enye nika. GF for mo manimre. Onim say Ethiopia for no say no na make us me yem hwe countries o mo ben won na komu choose that country na say o mo di kan ka so mo pe Kenya o Kenya no mo ka so mo bobo no
e na amfoi
nyesa amfoi na one journalist bi na ate ho say South Africa for na approach wo mo no mo ka chom so wo mra ho mbe o mo bibi o mbe fa ho ka yes
ai mo show mo my
into airline o mo ba be fa place na po
o ma bo mo pa
Baby hotel so mbeda nyina wo na be fa ho ka
da bi onyi ndi so say e bia o kan airlines di na ama nansen omo e de hihye aba they want to revamp omo airline no eh South Africa Airways no so ati ase omo de hihye aba nti omo ye ne ma e bia no person come there no be shim say be ya omo de esi line no be form de aba
enye no kwampo hotel omo beda no South Africa fo ene betu ahwo ka information ayeba no unze officials so much officials no say it was Ethiopia for na because of a home match no when I was kita for bibia South Africa for na be nyina
wow
and South Africa so omo da red light about COVID-19 na say you can so say omo players no so okoba bia red light wow ba untimi
bo okay say yakobo South Africa match
nti your players no bi omo ama
yeah
he say fidie kese pa na nkofo na sumye no say ena omo de ko FIFA no FIFA still omo bo South Africa ho a say CAF president no free Mochepe no Mochepe Dr. Mochepe and Sawosha
wasn't one or the Mochepe no
CAF president
enye Mochepe za o gugu ni dini
le ni say name and say
enye sana spell ni ti o there be enye Mochepe there be
na say
o de
ya actually no say na kan no
there be say na kan no
na ya say na ya ti ni
enye Mochepe sa
ba ku ya wa he ono ye friends
enye boy ayi
obani
o de me
ono de kan maps na ni di no enye Mochepe no ano no
Mochepe
yes Patrice Mochepe ni di na ma ba chiro no na visa wo South Africa di ho akoba tu mo bia di nche obi ana oh masa ja za ma kama se na be waje wachi
the castle you use now
o se me chana castle bi ka kweri eti kwaku
okay so enti you want okay but
there ye din
unse mine esi oro SC4 pronunciations in the other day. To almost say we know. Sa chip now one bet says CH now. TS, you know. The run chip. Ah well.
The no you. And she said yeah.
Na one wrong. Hey Patrice na ke no akọ baby na. Mo chip na fa ni chip akọ no baby.
And the GF4 the aka empire bo. The aka empire because Grofon person mo be akwan bia South Africa. E ko World Cup no hwe omo ma bedi CAF presidents ni na omo timi abominations na ma omo qualify for certain tournaments na nka hwe anye on merit. Hwe papa ya dan pam ya Ahmed Amadi. So dan ya nkofo Madagascar foi and countries omo boy qualifies ni ya complain say nkofo no sisi wo mo. He say haya to tiwo South Africa Cameroon. Just a tournament no World Cup just obi o nka so mo kwan bi obefa so mo ko bia no no mo ko na papa no beto aso no. Nti dia do no say Ghana anhia qualification no ebeyedin ebeyedin se si
Mase so much letter come on
and I make us no FIFA reply Ghana FA say the o maka no na o maka
abi tan na wa
sa
nsana bia ma
na che se de besi asie
wi besi anyasi awie ti se
me cra sorry
ye besi asie awie
ya kan se be she wo den da wonya mi asie akakra na dia zo enora abani league ne start weekend yi
honan kan bentini fa so so yenko
ochina oh any around the new year ansana say enra asante ball
friendly match any ma menwe me dia
say any mo susu de say go su musu ogu wa say konsia na aba sunti say musu ogu wa enra me say go wey
konsia ya na aba
yesem
omo akọrẹ mu ase aba bete kure mu din ayehu ba bi omo
yesem say omo say woni covid card ni bia unsi stadium was ko hebo
spectators no so
I see anya no kra no see akra be say
o mo see anya no kra but opening me papa na voice
papa be
president ya e no born voice ne
there be me ne Henry Asanti say no kra e mu say and no kra asem no kan no kra as we speak nipa awo COVID-19 jab no even omo ma wa omo 2 million akra no omo around 2 million yeah, well, more than 30 million people walk and swahra vaccines in the can buy any targeting ni pebi omo fie kwa animu and omo corporate offices ne frontline workers ni ade no omo no na di kan wo pa
ansa na
ya be ka kire ne yesi obi iti ka footballing fans na nkasa no
hwe madodo na
ade na omo no enya nuro omo sumpo no ma obi ti wo de sa mrane hyehyɛ ne ba to petitu about the love na any
because me cry me say enura no mo bo Dr. Nsiasa voice ono so kaza
according to Henry me ne di nkomo no ono Dr. Nsiasa na ko grant is interview no but nhyehyɛ wo ho sese no en support sa call no ati ase tigi si nya break akra se ekwa animu nti etimi awo nipa no be 10 million kra and now this is we ba understandable because anya se bia wo ho kra na nipa no so mo de na wo ho no no so afi na ase bia ba but ye kan ye ka opani pane ni bi wo ho ye nko no so a expiry date wo ho be se kwa ese nipa ni bia fa ne normal no nam ho and na no bi meti asem bi mo bia me frame se me nko kirim mo bia me frame na nko yesi nipa bi afrase yesi opeso otukwan na ope card ni bia
omo fake bi mankrofo
afama sum
Ghana dey say nyanwa
onye vaccinated so na ya say we vaccinated
nipa ni bi ahyase pese o mo yes business no se bi su kwa ahyase ya me ye sure say obi ho no ni masema me kan
no pe bi obeka no
enti sa
so dey
card no omo mani nko ho
sa so dey enye
obani na ye pe papa nka dey say ye bre bibi papa bi bia
de bone be bata
obenya kwabrane a ono na adwene ne de
pese onya bibi
bone no mata ho ne enyi sika
oni di wo ho eno pe ne hia no
opani me say afama sum sei ba me nim nipa ko a na ono ne hye saa de na chi obi na obi kasa ofon so na fama sum so ayi ne de ho ne de wunya nya card ni bi dia sa abrochira control sem na me ka o ma nko ba tu pe bi dia ne
brane nye bi ma
obo figure bi ope card ni bia me we make catch ro ipa na me hu so okasa
of but some way so because unim one thing so say I don't know how they are going to do that, but we need everything is possible when a wrong certain amount to be a me sure say a bear cartel be no bear side.
Oh yes,
because we never back for and access to card ni being because you input where you now a common database and I'm making just a cartel be on because where you never call on database no it is a your boy where in the background now say I'm you to can say all the way in scanner bon say information in now it is a no you be a on wrong ya and I ya we in the amount na say anko system no mu a what I say which means if this is true there it means that it is something that a group of people are doing over there. Very dangerous.
Enra ensia say secretary ampo Nyankopon say onton supangu so. Na yechiwa. Omane nyesa. Da amen.
Amen.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye coach. Prosper Ogum. Obaye na wo share supporters no. Na wo share team no adada fofo no mo a sabi o mabo team ne pen no.
But about to us Asante case you but mean so say football people asem ya wo kan ya o say friends Henry say enye no kuri wonya sure say nka when ye ne san so anka ye pa
kan krofo kwa ko
amafo on person obi wono so ko so kwa ko
pa say vaccine ne wo ta ho
so mo say bi wo ho say bi mo say bi wo ho
no so sa o
football people ni na be kwa ko
pa abana Pfizer no ni ade na on person start wo no kra no ma schedule say from November e ko no and no mo be distributor ko various no nti it depends.
Okay,
numbers na abana ne ye population e dey enu kota
yeah
nana what's am out buy about fake mo ye
who come too much
big man bi pa na ka che wo se ne brother otu kwan akọ Italy na oni bi na ni pa na fa na ka che nzi wo mra ombe bi ama no.
Chumasi Thompson says it's true, Nana. My uncle paid 1,000 cedis to get the card when he was traveling to the UK.
And a demo no. Okay. When South Africa say you my free, meaning say no credit or say red list and I see you my free so.
Okay.
Eti Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum. Eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach. Okushia coach Malik Jabe uze wabo Kotoko Akuchi Kotoko.
Yeah.
Ena yewo Kotoko Legends Association. Omo mabo Kotoko no a omo bo bra papa Kotoko na ni e hold them in high esteem no. Omo association president George Kennedy kushia ono nso ena Daniel Amo. We nyina ye obi bese ana otutu ne nan asisi ye na se de se adwen ni ba akofo tirim so. Omo akire no nneoma eboa Kotoko oya Kotoko ebeboa wo so as a coach nti komo no odidi no I hope say ebeboa me enra omo hwebo ni bi commentary om de ama me ne me ankasa no except bi am hwehwe no bo Kotoko obo no de efe na ade ba ko wo mu ni se ewo se oma boys na aba no kankan foforo ni wo mu no hu se Kotoko team ne de e team kese yanyi bibia ntum apart from win ya bod draw kra na ani abre enti whatever o masuane bibia amwa se league e be start o be bia no o mo ntobolo o effort Kotoko di second kra wo league ma e failure ati ase boys ni yes board ani o mo ni mpopa na me sure say o mo manyinyi wo league no be waje so be popo o mani agu nkwara anu so
e ba sa o mo mani nya di
on de meken o mo manyinyi wo league mu o mo waje so be popo o mani agu nkwara anu so but ene yemfa sebe ahoden ani nyi na bobo hwe there is this boy Nidin de Felix Afna Jan Obeni from interschools ewe se wanchi yes wanchi no free straight to Italy. Roma under 19 so ko in the first match crow ya assist no osashi go. Tom training na Morino ekuku hu na under 19 and no promoting their best senior team and obo Roma first team match winning so many Cagliari say
okay
and a boy very fantastic boy young guy inter schools na no obo no obi scouting
no didn't call
echo Italy. And the way I was starting or rising in Como and the international media will be reporting about the boy Felix Afnejan. The dynamic should be the Jan and a big good Nijay name so means will be a tune for say Jan.
Afnano.
I'm so be a tune for say Jan, the Apotram and nothing.
On Vavro.
To be saying Nijay Nation or
Robert Gian
or only just Nation or Tro Afnano. He didn't have Nejan, but or Trafnano one and or say like men can say obon humodin
share who share Ghana anymore.
Yes. Yeah, sure say Bright Stars ni bia o say dey ni utie omo nim no omo ma hwe no me no abon manya bia hwe ba utie ni exploits so far o call ho ni 1 year kra.
Wow.
And in the progression from under 20 above first team Roma first teams are there na say obon but utie nkomo no mu di na say am any anko no hu yie
ombefa no
Italy for the omo tuntum no ompepa
Balotelli
omo pepa di enimanimu ye ya onmo trese obo no modern sa yese ne nine so left and right ni nyina ye adwuma o trese no sports prefect kwa wo school na okwo bi honum.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. You see nana minchwan unim se sa boy we say senka kotokwa na team kesi bi kofa no ba omo hose on be register na manabo premiership anka yankrufo mu sports nka beto dombeka muni sikana mo se sankwada experience be no wo na teams akase yemfa players we na ye wo mo aka no mo de bua kwara na bem bara ko abuchi na hweti ma wo kotoko status of fa boys is okumansi de na nkwada kotoko ye team kase ene wi asad na twam catch them young ti wo munyi no it should be yours forever.
I'm the come asem ho na ya na hadwin sa catch them young
na hadwin ba football
ni say o campaign na awofo ni bi wo obani teams na be ball league no say na tie na me kan sem bi na areho
your friend no sorry so why
obani areho
o come on for ni ba ku papa no me to
obani league ya ba start no ya o teams ma kuma kunnu mu a mu nyina e bo wakra
answer last night you
can't me be teams no obia ne venue for now Accra House of Folk, Accra Sports Stadium, Great Olympics, Accra Sports Stadium, Accra Lions, Accra Sports Stadium, Dreams FC, Accra Sports Stadium, Legon Cities, Accra Sports Stadium. 10 matches. Only the low non high. And buy one get one free. House of Folk 10 matches to Accra Sports Stadium. Tinyasa no man san no so mbese 10 in now league no waje.
Waje in advance.
Obeni they make an what as here 10 matches league na ye be born 10 matches or matches in Accra say
18 teams na ball the 30
or 10 matches Accra Sports Stadium who I will say
34 matches or so yeah 38
30 something matches me was
36 yeah
now boom 10 e wo fa ko SCC be ni Abani Kumasi Asante Kotoko Baba Yara Sports Stadium Kimfesa Baba Yara Sports Stadium Ediana Stars Nanajima Bedu Park Doma Ashanti Gold Lenkley Sports Stadium Brekum Chelsea Golden City Park Brekum Techiman 11 Wonders Ohene Amiya Park Wafa Stadium Sugakope Ohene Amiya Park no Techiman Elmina Sharks Indian Park Ewo Elmina Mediema Akon Park Watakwa Karela Camp Park ewo Enyinase ena Bechem United nana Fosu Giabo Park ewo Bechem ena Real Tamale United Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium Tamale Sports Stadium na ne ya rename no
is a pon de da hoko obi anwo
esi pon Debbie baby ani go stars bebo wo e say dance Dunes Park baby ani enra me say ayifo channel mines for akoma omo bass mo no
efe pa bass na
efe baby anu go
and omo jesi nso
na afi the color dan they say
oh color dan yeah only hobby mu na wo bit kak color dan park
why baby
na no dey maybe bobo na me is akwa tintingram bia chi baby she na nim say edi enko as Ghana dia she boy mu ndu ku obi be
color dan
Benny
All right. Yeah, but I can't share fridge.
Oh, but Papa, only video.
Small boy back. Abdul Rafiu Yakubu. Wasunta. Yes, I can't see you see Dago Okra. And Tiatono, Baba Titino. So a very young boy. What I say, 10 years, yeah, not your granddad Chintino. The Tonkolani Bibu now.
Felix, Mufana Ketuasa, Antonio Seco, you know, getting for more.
All right, your first I can say my proud sponsors now for Yen Twaso and call Yen and Nim. Nina and say, ye come for a Kel Charcoal toothpaste at the amount, papa. Yeah, ne a bit me abwa ye. Na stains be a was subiano. A yini na a feel at the amount. And which unya good fresh breath, a face so unya white teeth. Na a ma a yo gum very strong and healthy, and so kama by preventive cavity. It be a charcoal for choosing. Yet the charcoal, a BD, any day, Kel charcoal toothpaste. A Samara Company Limited for and on my tom was aye. Kel charcoal toothpaste does a happy smile. And which in as did you informa Willet Properties. Willet Properties. And they say ope asase atono. When you cofa a special discount sale at the aba. A Christmas promotion. It's a temua the copim say December was so many bequery. Sassen for Chopoli, Airport City, and a fee a Sutra Junction. A one Sassano, Joe Ukra 4,000 grand, you been yes, as oh, yes. Now, fin so 6,000 near dear. Ubenyabi, do win and potem oh, Benyabi. Now, fee a Yukumase, Ukra 10,000 cra, Ubenya Sasse, Ato, Eddie Few, Bua Polonia, Bua Pram. Yen Sassano Bonnet for Chen will be our transase, El Krumua. A special discount sale. Fisabria till the end of December, said them can. Sikano Moano cry, Bitriaka Crato, Nayan Wire Assassin amount. Now your mount. Installment payment plan. What I say? No what treat you an installment. Cra. Betray ye free site visit. You don't call a site why you're no capre. Or trust us any document amawa yen Jusica, a free document any account. Obe locate here, office no. Ewo a shaman, timber market roundabout on the Michelle Camp Road. Bank of Africa. Patch of phrase 0244 756 984 and our phrase 0243 740 485. Now on a well-let properties, Eddie and Komo. Afe Airtel Tigo, Tugu Misu promo. Alandi say sometime. Ya just say amount for dia ne disikasa. Fisabria kopem the end of December. All over Ghana, every hour, every day, every week, every month, it is raining cash. Now, grand cash prize na kasani 100,000 Ghana cedis. Ebekwa kugubi butum. Obeso de mushimbia star 500 hash. Now I recharge it with 5 cedis or more. Now I build the points. I fee bundle purchases and usage. You know so many points. Airtel to go money transactions. I'll be in now so unya points. Obeso double points. Unya no more. Patrol yen daily SMS trivia no found shimbi. It cost only 30 pesos per. Now I answer question simple. Now when your points P now. Who we need bibia. Number back open your day contact you. 0260 000 Any other number be for say we need bibia or Airtel Tigo to go me super mu and patrol. Scam. Airtel Tigo life is simple. And also a share and which in as they do from Casa Precon Company Limited. Yeah, Nino, or the Casa Precon wow promotion, Abba. Promotion with there, Utim say, go ipa, amazing ipa na on the abaya, a subi grandma, the Fisabia Copem, the end of November 2021. Yes, about 1,000 packs of combination of Prima drinks, fancy drinks, royal drinks, and I say 10/10 drinks. Now, be 100 packs of assorted products. Free, just like that. And once I water, now I now call baby, when you'll be near some Timpacho. Any of our accredited key distributors across Ghana and our fake Casa Precon Depo Ahodono, Accra on the Spintex Road, Kumasi, Tanoso, Techiman, Ho, Tamale, any other places in Brana Yechon. Better 100 packs of combo Puma drinks, fancy drinks, royal drinks, and after 10 over 10 drinks. Now when you're 100 packs free of assorted products. Terms and conditions apply. Patch your free 050-162-074 and after 050-156-2072. Casa Precon, a step beyond excellence. Your first day you Go TV and they also Bomodia say be connected. Now what me enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A and a Premier League, near other leagues now canina on Go TV or be connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis to abroad using my Go TV app. Now with me I witness football action papa on your Go TV. Go TV, love it. Your first day you in boost herbal mixture. AKA police in Edono. Papa when you be a baby with the amount. We and infections be a baby system be an killing in now. Show immune system no barre ama hoden abam said the be no abetimi fight against every disease na yare bia timi ammo anto e wa setremu etibomoden apebe achi akwan Kings Walk Herbal, Ecus Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country. Health Alert Shop at St. John's and afi Obo Remo Little George Health Shop e Watermark Community 5 for Abenye Binyesa phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Na yenyo so na fi emwa bi ehu bi anso no yetimi e de aboa na fi so wa bomoden akai se ene bia piemu na se MTN Ayoba no aba e de amount bomoden so be download this app we na no betimi aboa yi pa se eno na ekro app ba kwa wo so a bibia opeso yi bia no utimi eye ni na e wo so utimi send eye mobile money through MTN Mumbo ewa bra or chatting with your favorite vendors, family and then friends, and then you also get to catch up with all the latest trends on various channels or play games, then you listen to music and you do so much more, all in the comfort of one social app. I friend Ayoba. If you also download the Ayoba app from the Google Play Store or App Store, enjoy a whole new way to communicate and have fun as well. Remember, Ayoba are available on all networks, but MTN users some bit me enjoy at no data cost. So hurry now, download Ayoba. Ayoba made in Africa for the world. And no enchichim kakra no. Now men sign cow be say be any bit me to iron deficiency anemia sino. As it me di nuane fortified and I say iron content no a woman no more pa ni na say ubedi kontomre afe abedru liver red meat fish shrimps eggs boko alefu groundnut beans afe cowpeas ni na dibi and green leafy vegetables ni na aboa ye pa afe iron fortified milk na iron fortified cube spices and also eat me a good sauce pa what did we are ya kai say obedi fruit rich in vitamin C aguso and also boama nipa duano timi absorb iron nutrients na waduan na odi yemu ye pa e ti say pawpaw mangoes oranges pineapples nina eboa ye pa live strong with iron yen kakra krasa na bibia so entimi enko ye emfa emai eno enho enchichim kakra no abuja ye ba be phone lines na ore me ba obi ba be di cash sesi a etel tigo tugumi so ye asetio obi be di cash sesi a eye tugumi so
ye de ma pie langas bi hwe ahwem menya nkoto scanchen eto asase a Thomas Mudwi wo ho ko Willet Properties wododo wo ha ekita 7,500 15,000 pa ebenya asase kama ekwatema come to 24 next ho ana Apollonia e wonyere wo twitwa asase wo ho wo asase wo twitwa ton 7,500 wo amasaman Shire Hills o Chebreku Ben Apollonia one head office ni ahia matula ku he ya Medina so yanyi nisi pharmacy opposite Kaswa your Crypto City watunton asase wo afenya esichari Tripoli onye dewenya
Willet Properties ahaya na metomasa
for Willet Properties 0244 756984 and 020-230-9996 Willet Properties where genuine lands are sold.
Salute. Hey. When we send your
police ni aduro imbu saba mesa amama hoaden
refuse to grow any offense wa beka ho
ahoaden immune system wo nyankopon e de awura ni padua no musam moye ho ban no enna sa wonum imbu saba mesa e pagya immune system na bribia ya yare antimiu sese die amanfo dodo no na di imbu saba mesa do ne ho adanse yesen enyarewa horo anipa enyina etimi ba ne so ene nyarewa kese anka ya wuti ni din ene ho ka na oyemu ahyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban afiri ho enna wo mpo a omo wanyarewa ne dada na omo nom doctor enuro no ennom imbu saba mesa no a emo mo ahoade pintin ya omo ntimpo se yare ahye omo ho imbu saba mesa ewo kansi ene o maimu babia yeto enuro etufo mfre 0246 208496 FDA ahyehyɛ sɛ adwadie nkrato yi magye ato mu sɛ ye
Sami sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. E ma me confidence de muni nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit go so na me sre a. E ya wanwan hu. Me de Kel Chaco toothpaste ene twitwi me se. Oba de ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e de aye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mwawa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure se amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so ni. Yeti center for.
Me de magical Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me shuna no pa na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibinama. Na me sinta tito ni na aguso.
Enkane no ani ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nkabia. Na wonum ye ram. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA aji ejodi nkrato ya tumo.
Anopabia num Hollandia Evap Milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium wom na ne gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap Milk ma no pa ye de papa. Ejodi nkrato yi FDA agiatum.
Sami sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. E ma me confidence de muni nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit go so na me sre a. E ya wanwan hu. Me de Kel Chaco toothpaste ene twitwi me se. Oba de ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e de aye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mwawa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure se amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so ni. Yeti center for.
Me de magical Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me shuna no pa na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibinama. Na me sinta tito ni na aguso.
Enkane no ani ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nkabia. Na wonum ye ram. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA aji ejodi nkrato ya tumo.
Ghana hadie tugu me so nyum no no bia de sawo efrise Airtel Tigo sikanso no pitigu obia so Togo me so Airtel Tigo piti free cash data ne community a wodi be friend network bia ego bia so don hwere bia de bia sa kosi December e wo tugu me so promo ne mo na chede aboti wanwanso anka se esisiwo no e 100,000 Ghana cedis cash ane 100,000 Ghana cedis mo but star 500 hash recharge na koswa fa Airtel Tigo di ujuma bribia the wetimi abekani pampempema wo be win sika be bro 1 million Ghana cedis no enti wo trend dia iwonia but star 500 hash is here.
Airtel Tigo, life is simple.
After 3-minute clinics designed to help you resolve the to build or buy dilemma, EcoBank Cities and Habitats and Joy News now bring you the main event of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair 2021. This year's fair, the 12th edition, assembles an even greater number of exhibitors offering a lot more variety in quality housing options from materials through to housing accessories, landed properties as well as financing to help you either buy, build, spec, rent or rent to own. It's the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair 2021 2021, powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitat at the Accra International Conference Center from Wednesday 27 to Sunday 31st October 2021 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. day. You can also follow us on our social media platforms with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitat, Rent to Own. Sponsors, Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. Gold Key Properties, building prestige since 1997. And Anki's Home Decor, your home sorted. EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing.
All SIM cards in Ghana must be registered again with only the Ghana card. Yes, only the Ghana card.
You will not be able to make voice calls, use mobile money services, internet, and all other services linked to your SIM card if you don't.
To register, dial *404# and follow the prompts. You will be required to send the following details on your Ghana card: Ghana card number, surname, first name, date of birth, and sex.
You will then receive a special code which you will present to your nearest service provider agent or customer care center for your biometric details to be captured. Remember to add your digital address.
Dial *404# on your phone to start registering your SIM card today.
For more information, contact your service provider on 100 or the National Communications Authority on toll-free number 0800 110622. Register your SIM card to stay connected.
Okay, Uktie Adom 106.3 FM. Na the omunyina say Airtel to gumiso. Promo way. Hey, the assembly ba cash pa manfo dienudo. J. Daily cash prices no. 1,000. Daily no, every day be 1,000 be there. Ebetimi ayo there. Weekly cash prices no. 2,000, 5,000, and then 10,000. Afe monthly cash prices no 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. What I say? And now grand prices nankasa no 25,000, 50,000, and 100,000 Ghana cedis. And you tugu miso. Chairman, and one is a boss star 500 hash, and then with just 5 cities per, we bet me recharge it. Yo, now we build the points is who use to Airtel to go money? What the transactions now build the points is now, friends, we are in daily SMS trivia. No, so no 30 pesos per, and also try to answer simple questions. Now build the points board, yo. Cash never audio. I'm out for the Nedi cash. Yeah, come on, so you show one with the cash on Jale. One with the cash, yeah, Munyami show. Now, I am the Casa. I just am out for Sada cash on my session, but and then so you. And you're too good, so I'm on it back. Too good, so back.
Get it till Tico. So my guy.
Hi, good evening, Jerry. Please greet Naomi of Tema Community 7 for me. Tell her I love her so much. Obed from Kaswa. Kaswa for Sana Mudiodo. Menshana menkan se wo don mo. Kaswa love. Urade. Any nothing give me so on the back. Big man, give me so back.
Let the money fall. Me penny back.
Hello. Yeah, good evening.
Evening.
What's the battle at the same? Good. Me when your pa, not me patcho. Your friend was saying, not here for now. Ultimoto achiwo. Wisdom, catch you, cut down. Listen, me say, on to the boss, no mommy 1 minute, per on slow down, kakra. Okay, wisdom.
Yes, sir.
Catch me. Sika he, and when you say, I want to go to super
5,000 Ghana cedis.
Hey, why not 5,000 Ghana cedis? Christmas Eve there.
But me didn't basa. I know
okay, we did. Said the occasion only basa and come when you are jinty. Me, make sure we na why kakra why na. Catch me. Not feeling it to say. I brought a land here say when you have 5,000 Ghana cedis. What probably you mean?
Feeling me the enya dia me betu me expressing because I'm many idea because me expecting but now me dream say me bomb pa be nyame on bomb me na next year dia yankasa me starting me business.
Wow.
And this car nyame dia ma me dia me di mania to say business ni dia nyame ya promo na dia
that's
January business
that's good but catch me about the sign out about Airtel to go promo what when
radio too na me tie but me any peniodia enye first time me di promotion what go last year so me di phone
okay
me the phone and this year so promotion me see announcement say no I dey ready this minister we move him and I made the list 500 hash and I me register.
Okay, all right. Fine, pa. Nemo no. Yeah, kasa sesi just say cash no. I land on side one.
Oh, I landed 5,000 full cash. I landed.
Me pacho.
So no say na by 2,000, 8,000.
That's nice. Yeah, say we be won. Me pese. O catch Ghana for nyina say Airtel Tugu me so promo no real pan pesa o ka wow language mu catch na o kromu for no mu na ante ase
yo matipla nyate fe de ka ko ne na gbere alo ewe a menye se na mero ga kenye nyate fe ke henye de ka ti go promotion ke he wa le fifiela enye nyate fe matro o lete fe enye fe me gere me po onya jijo na pepe nkeke me wela me po jidudu me po jijo ti lenye plenye pe ko me ejo be 5,000 Ghana cedi kela anya ni de ke a che ku gede lenye pa bana wa yida me bu ko che bo dan na ma ke mele blone no vinyo holo am no sia me le sigo line sala me ne ko de ko de promo ke me ne da star 500 hash ne wa register ne wa no credit play one mobile Tigo cash
okay
one wa ano bundle play kono one of the ne do review a promo ne ma ufo me be ya jiwo kono nya jiwo kola o te adu na de koto ya nya kela si me ma bolo ne
yo
olo nyo kono no fi obite
akpe gaga
yo
all right yeah, that's why wow very simple now let's see who is also getting lucky today, winning cash. Airtel Tigo Tugu Misu promo. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, sweetheart.
Yes.
Oh my God, the way you said hello, I was like, oh damn. Please, what's your name?
Kanita.
Your friend
say? Kanita.
Kanija na Kanita.
Kanita.
Kanita. Wow.
Me patron.
What a beautiful name, Kanita.
Thank you.
Kanita, I'm for now.
Me patron me what my community 25.
Oh, 25 there. Me jiga crab me for na me check o cash about who there. Make sure we check why. But catch on me. Sky you know we need to go to promo mu.
Me patron me we need 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Hey! When you 10,000? Me real magic location come to 25. Oh, and me am a burial. Yes, sir. Now, catch me. How was the feeling like? You know, receiving 10,000 Ghana cedis free.
Yes, I was so excited. At first, I thought it was a scam because even though I participated, but just winning 10, they will call you that you've won 10,000 Ghana cedis. I said, hey. So I rechecked the number again, and I said, please, can I call you back? And the lady said yes. So later, I have to call someone back door to verify if truly I have won and if it's genuine. And they said yes, you've won 10,000.
Wow. That's nice. But what's about this promotion from where?
I'm from Tiwo Radio.
What's your radio? So that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Wow. So what are you going to do with this 10,000 cedis here on Saturday?
Oh, me was small business be a meal pretty. I'll just invest it.
Oh, the best you. Wow. That's nice. It's here cash na land or account. Wow. I love that. All right, so if there's any message be our person the be my Ghana for AT or Adom FM so this year, what will be your message to them?
Okay, you make capture Ghana for na say Airtel Tigo to go me promo no real.
Nice.
Sana meet me aka.
Great.
They should just register *500# and participate. Text, send mobile money, use data, calls. Now will win you points.
Yeah. Good. I had that say that's on here. Cassette me said outside there be there. A patch of measure show why and me send back from to 25 pounds. I actually quite a spend 1% of the cash. Right? Oh man, and that's it. Charlie, who else is getting lucky? And you're too good so
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Boss, who now at the same?
I'm Adom now, sir.
Adom ninti me ho ye papa. Na now shy ka say.
Me what tomorrow?
Whoa. And the medidi. Now which part of Tema now?
Oh, see, I'm going to me confused. Me motor Kwanso.
That's good. All right. Now, anyebiano sika he na wudi e wo e to go to me supermonum.
Oh, minya daily price of 500 cedis.
Unya 500 cedis.
But
na feeling it is saying say what to you can now recharge now for why and yes we 500 cedis. Na feeling it say.
Feeling it there na come up na come up.
Wow. Now what's about our promotion we away?
Na me online and I mean who or adverts also. To me be na me say omo che mechanics over here bit me win be. You know, me daily star 500#. And I'm register. The last week no friend me say we need 500 cedis daily price needy.
Great.
Basically, no.
It's here can say on Saka cash no.
Oh yes, Misaka.
That's nice. You can say can be catch a month for 80 or fast up mu then abeka.
Oh, promo ne de koso. And I'm who say go win. Be come office okra, who say go be job cash, be fill my phones na there. I'm so very nice promo.
Okay.
Real, very very real.
All right. that's it. Pa. Also, all right. Abusia, that's what it is, y'all.
Let the money fall.
Back. Why the brutal? They said the cash wine, the roti be busy and one for one, you be there, and then while I
let the money fall. Me penny chairman to come so. Let the money fall. Me penny.
All right, and today happens to be your birthday. It's Kwame B. Oh, yes. The only digital Rasta. What I say? The only digital Rasta in GH. Kwame B. Mr. B, happy birthday to you. And may God bless you. Now, the Odon Sabe Kambiano, Omen Shawati. Such a nice brother, you know what I mean? Kwame, and you really link up now, you know what I'm saying? Happy birthday to you, bro. Enjoy. All right, Abusia Yantwa Jumedino Eso. Na after this, no, near Baba Shed the on a fee, your Timmy Arapia, and Fansanka Radio.
Jack, Usikabo, Dura, our Brebiera, made the Vodafone cash best and Sika free Aqua network for Biasno. But it sounded that we are penetrating 7 first one only 1% and now 1.5% charges in beer in Yasem. Free transfer of Vodafone cash Swan Echo. Only a Massacre gets what Biao can you. Anio, si Sika Dudwana, a bra, what the Vodafone cash, send Sika network Dudwana so charges Biaranka home. Send Sika Dudu and Brand Dudu Biaope. Got network Biaope so a bra yento Capra Cra. Nessi Sika Fama and Nume Huhiao and Massika Kitwa Biaoquai. Dial star 110 hash. Now send the Sika free.
Vodafone.
Hey, close up. Ever fresh air, ever fresh air. Ever fresh air.
Train you. All new close up ever fresh no. Dear Nasa.
Share. So say I want triple fresh formula beer a who num a bow see a children by Najo num say from. It's sunny near mammy and son a antibacteria. I could say a numia more purifying gel. And a cadia and my num jua a carbonunti. Who you num boy and num near see a children who buy free and winning now. Then my num to say come on the morning na.
Close up ever fresh. Pama continue dear. FTIJ Trading Katuya too.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
And we are back. We are Kwesi Zanga. Our friend, you way Buedo. Open top. Kwesi Zanga. And it features Kofi Nti and Mr. Drew. They call this one Buedo Mami. Open up, give me. We all see greetings, Jerry. Please wish my sister, Mrs. Mrs. Emanuela Edusu Donko, a happy birthday for me. May God bless her. From your sister Abigail and the entire family. Also a happy birthday going out to a colleague and a nurse, Mavis Eledi. Away Pram Polyclinic. May God bless her beyond measure. Fasten mambo. Open up for me. And congrats in advance, Elcoma Vida, police officer Vida. Nyame Adom all worry this weekend. That was the Church of Pentecost. Rich. Nyame kan ya ba beta wachi wate. Oh, uni akra bi bia be fine. Wishing you well. Don't do in advance, yeah. Patron will let properties. I see, and there is special discount sale and a cost Christmas promotion. Yamma Sasa, Chesama Subianu, a Hojuboko. Usain one, baby, Abecotas, Sibiano boarding. Wash Chopoli, Airport City, and a Fe Sutrai Junction. A whole Nayamas, Ukra 4,000 cities, Abemo yes. Would there Brana Besha, Same Boy, 4,000 cities, Ubenya plot, as he does so. Dowenya, 6,000 Ubenya Sassi. Aikuma 10,000 Ubenya Sassi. Apollonia, Pram, when you know Sassano, Bibiadi them come up. A special discount sale from now till the end of December. Your installment payment plan so ever free site visit, any free documents and so already Shaman Timber Market Roundabout on the Michelle Camp Road. Bank of Africa. A patch of Frey and Cecilia. What the offer say Jerusalem friend now mobile fine. What do you do on bail? On bail fine pa 0244 756 984.